Hi, today in front of me Nokia C12 and I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper and style section. Here click to change wallpaper. You could use here a photo from your device gallery, previously downloaded photo on your device from the internet, or taken a picture in camera app. Also we could use for default photo on our device. Just select one from the photos. You could see the preview, click on the right down corner to OK and tap to lock screen. Just wait a second, we can see the message that the wallpaper set successfully, so let's lock the device. Okay, so we should now add the lock screen method to see this wallpaper. So let's go to the security, screen lock, for example the pattern. Enter the pattern or pin code twice. Okay, let's check our new wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way click to change wallpaper and select one from the available wallpapers, tap to OK, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.